Hey, I want to give just a few quick tips on how to make edits using the Google. Um, if you want to, say, take this paragraph out, instead of just deleting it so then we can't go back and look at it, highlight it, go up to the top, Format, Text, and Strike Through. So there you can still see what the words are, but we can obviously see that it needs to be taken out. The second thing that is helpful is if you want to add more words. A good way to be able to go back and know where that was is just highlight those words, go up to the top here where it's got the text color, change that to a different color so you know that. And the other piece that's very helpful is to make comments in an area so we can talk about it later, or you can go back and look at it, or just different things. So again, highlight it, hit this plus button on the side, add a comment, and say, I think we should talk about this, and then you hit OK, and that will show up on the side, which another person can reply back to also, as this is a live document. So hope that's helpful for you. Have a great night. Be well. God bless.